Hey tech enthusiasts, today I've got something super exciting to share with you. We're diving into the first look at the brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's latest flagship is making waves, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack here. First off, let's talk about the design. The S25 Ultra has a sleek, futuristic look. It comes with a brushed metal finish and a new color called Quantum Black. The build quality is top-notch and it feels premium in your hand. Flipping to the front, you've got a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 144Hz refresh rate. It's vibrant, it's sharp, and it's perfect for everything from gaming to watching movies. And yes, the under-display front camera is back, but this time it's almost invisible. Kudos to Samsung for that. Now let's dig into the internals. The S25 Ultra is powered by the new Exynos 2300 chipset with a whopping 16 GB of RAM. This thing is a powerhouse. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or doing some heavy video editing, it's got you covered. Storage options? You've got 256 GB, 512 GB, and a mind-blowing 1 TB variant. So you're not going to run out of space anytime soon. And yes, it supports expandable storage via microSD. Alright, camera buffs, listen up. The S25 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup. You've got a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, a 48MP telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and a 12MP periscope lens with a crazy 100x space zoom. Low light performance? It's stellar. Night mode has been improved, and you'll get crisp, clear shots even in the darkest settings. Battery life is another highlight. It packs a 500 mAh battery, and with the new adaptive battery feature, it learns your usage patterns to optimize power consumption. Fast charging? You've got 45W wired and 25W wireless charging, plus reverse wireless charging for your gadgets. Software-wise, the S25 Ultra runs on One UI 6.0 based on Android 14. It's smooth, intuitive, and packed with features that make your life easier. Samsung DeX is still here, turning your phone into a full desktop experience when you need it. One more thing before I wrap up. The S25 Ultra is IP68 water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental splashes or drops in water. It's also got an improved ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is faster and more accurate. So, there you have it. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most impressive smartphones of the year. From its stunning design to its powerhouse performance, this phone has it all. If you're a tech enthusiast, it's definitely worth checking out. Alright, that's it for today's first look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech news. Thanks for watching.